Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. Starting off with some patchy fog out there. You want to be mindful when you're on the roads, a little bit of that leftover moisture outside. Also some of those wet roads still, specifically Ottawa County, Vernon County under flood warnings. Those are set to expire tomorrow, and we have more rain chances anticipated for today and some storm chances set for Thursday. Wesco Home Furnishings tower cam, you can't really see too much out there at the moment at all. It is very blue. We got the cloud cover and then obviously the fog. That should clear up around 9 a.m. this morning. Our Freeman Health First Alert Doppler temperatures in the 50s, a couple 60s. Joplin around 58 degrees, Veneta 60 degrees. That flood warning right there set to expire in Ottawa County around 3 p.m. tomorrow, 3:43 p.m. exactly. And then Nevada should see some clearing around 2 a.m. and also 3 a.m. But we will be keeping an eye out for the rain today. We do have percentages up to about 60% by Thursday. Today about 40%. A light chance for tomorrow, and then after Friday could see a little bit on Saturday, but we'll have some of that gradual clearing and a warming trend on the way by this weekend. Cloud cover still remaining though, really pushing through some of that fog behind us this morning. It will be mostly cloudy out there and overcast. Not expect to see that sunshine come out really at all for today, which is a little bit sad, but it's all right. We got that humidity really coming through, 90 to 100% outside dew points in the upper 50s, which does mean it is muggy and humid outside. We'll see that fog have an effect likely on your commute. Not too bad. It's not extra dense, but we will see it out there. And then some clearing is anticipated around 9 a.m. with that fog. And then we'll see a calm down in that humidity by this afternoon before that comes back into effect. We have more patchy fog expected to build in by 4 a.m. tomorrow. So that fog is not going to be leaving us alone for this morning and then tomorrow morning. But the scattered showers and storms of this weekend off to the southeast, that low pressure system carrying that cold front, we still are seeing those aerial flood watches and some of those flood warnings. Those are set to expire, those aerial flood watches today, and then obviously tomorrow we'll see some more of those flood warnings hopefully clear up. But that cloud cover still will remain this afternoon before it diminishes off to the east of us. Then we'll be mostly sunny for tomorrow. We do got a 20% chance to see some isolated shower activity, and then by Thursday we do have some storm chances and rain chances. That low pressure system will be fueling that with that warm front off to the south. We'll be bringing in more of those scattered showers and storms to the east, and then some activity to the south. Our forecast does show that we should see about under an inch of accumulated rain over the next couple of days. We'll see about quarter of an inch to half an inch of rain, and then we'll get nice and warm this weekend. But our highs today, Joplin 69 degrees, Coffeyville 68, Veneta 71, below that seasonable average. We'll cool down this evening even further into the 50s, Monette 55, Branson 56, and Springfield 55 before we pick back up into the 70s for our highs. Some of those upper 70s to the south going to be nicer, close to the 80s, and we'll be back in the 80s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here's a look at your KSM forecast from your local weather authority. That high today will be around 69 degrees. We have some rain chances, and later this afternoon expect some instances of thunder. We do have some lows in the 50s for this evening. Luckily with the storms this week that we see, even though it will be more showers, nothing severe with